much of its 157-year history, the Canadian Medical Association has remained largely silent on the abuse, mistreatment, neglect, and racism of Indigenous peoples at the hands of the medical profession. Today, it was direct.
To Indigenous peoples living in Canada, we apologize to you. We are sorry.
There was an orderly, and he'd get me into the bathroom, and he sodomized me.
A review of its archives revealed that the CMA upheld anti-Indigenous racism in healthcare, something that led to mistreatment and lack of care, and in many cases to ongoing health issues, even death. From coerced sterilization, some reports as recent as 2019, and forced medical experimentation on residential school children, to the delivery of unsafe care in Indian hospitals, the impact is devastating.
The legacy of colonization has left scars on our people.
The failures not only physical, but ethical. CMA's actions and inactions running contrary to their purpose as healthcare providers. CMA says that despite its duty to do so, it failed to listen to those calling attention to the deplorable treatment of Indigenous peoples in health systems, failing to report the substandard care and prioritize doctors' incomes over Indigenous peoples' care for the first half of the 20th century. And it admits these issues still linger today.
Systemic racism in the medical field has contributed to the mistrust of the profession that leads to serious health concerns going undiagnosed or without proper treatment.
To try and address the issues, CMA says it's going to review its code of ethics and will focus on bringing in more Indigenous healthcare workers. Today, the first step.
It's going to take a long time because there's a lot of damage and harm that was done to our people.
Towards a transformation. A health system free from racism and discrimination, hoping other organizations follow suit.
The CMA acknowledges its apology may re-traumatize Indigenous people who have experienced harms in the health system. For anyone needing support, the Hope for Wellness helpline is available 24/7, offering counseling and support.